Okay, these were the two of the three questions that we have been discussing in the classroom. So did you find the answer for these questions? The students who have not attended the last class, ये जो highlighted statements हैं, you have to find one word for this phrase. For example, in this question, my brother is a theatrical artist who performs and expresses story or thoughts through gestures. So expression expresses stories or thoughts through gesture. इसका आपको one word ऑप्शन यहाँ पर चूज करना है.
Mimic.
Mimic, okay. Anyone else? See, mimic and pantomime are similar words. Okay, the meaning of these two words are very much similar. But if you go in the dictionary, the actual expression and the actual one word for expressing stories of thought through gestures would be pantomime. Okay, so option 1 is the correct answer. Okay, next is your every Wednesday at the Ganesh temple, my father gives alms to poor people. He loves to help the needy and put others first. So put others first is the phrase, and we have to find one word out of this option, which represents this. Put others first. That means something you are doing without even thinking of gaining something.
Number 1.
1. Okay. Actress, Riddler, misanthropic, anthologic. These are the four options. Anyone else who would like to try?
1.
Option 1. Okay.
Option number 1, ma'am.
Okay, so we have at least 2 to 3 students in option number 1. So yes, option number 1 is the correct answer. Altruist is the one word for putting others first. Putting others first, what is the meaning of putting others first? That means you are thinking of others' benefit before your own. Okay. Okay, so moving on to the next question. Last is here.
मैम
Yes.
मैम मंडे को विप्रो का इंटरव्यू है, कुछ उससे रिलेटेड बता देती.
Wipro का interview है. Okay, we have discussed all of the questions. Let's finish this last question, then we will start with the interview questions. Okay. ये last question है, इसको finish कर लेते हैं, उसके बाद फिर interview questions discuss कर लेंगे. They organized a house party for Sarah's birthday, but she does not get excited easily, even if she put in a lot of effort and emotion. So the phrase is who does not.
Option 2.
Okay, place it. Have you found the meaning of all the words in the option? सारे word का आपको meaning पता होना चाहिए. Only then you can go for the options. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So place it. You are saying. Anyone else who wants to try? Okay, yes, places is the correct answer here. So before we move on further, yes, I have told you that each and every student will be delivering the answer for the question. What question? Tell me something about yourself. आपको इतना confidence होना चाहिए that it comes out as a conversation. ये आंसर जो है ये रटा रटाया नहीं लगना चाहिए. So who will be the first one answering this question? क्योंकि सिर्फ सही वर्ड यूज नहीं करना है, सही तरीके से भी बोलना है. So you have to speak up like you are having a conversation. Yes, Priya Ranjan.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
My name is Priyanjan Raj, ma'am, and I am 21 years old. I am from Patna. I'm pursuing BC from CS Professional College, and I have completed my 12th from Nizamiya Public School from 60 volt with 72 marks. And completed my 10th from Holy Faith Internet Public School with 9.8 CGPA marks. My hobbies are watching live cricket and listening to music. My strength is leadership skill, and my weakness is never say no to anyone. And I belong to a nuclear family in which my father, mother, my elder brother, and my two elder sister, and I am the youngest in my family.
Okay. So first thing, it was good that it does not came out as a by heart learned answer. ठीक है, ये एकदम रटा रटाया जैसा नहीं लग रहा था. That was a good thing. Second, I have already mentioned, do not mention your hobbies or your strengths and weaknesses like that. ठीक है, आपको अगर hobbies mention करनी है तो आप hobbies mention कर सकते हैं. But strengths and weaknesses आप पहली बात तो introduction में डालो ही मत, because they would have more questions to ask you if you answer the only thing that has been asked. ठीक है, अगर उनके पास क्वेश्चन कम पड़ेंगे, they will be asking you more situational question and you might get confused. So leave them the option to ask you simple questions first so that you get comfortable enough in the interview. Then you can go forward with the situational question. Second thing, आप अगर strength and weaknesses अगर mention कर रहे हैं, तो ये चीज मैंने बताई थी, you are not going to mention it by name, right? आप leadership quality है आपकी, you don't have to mention it by saying it. You have to mention it by giving an example. आप example दे के ये बताएंगे कि why do you think you are good for a leadership position? If you think that
If they further ask about how you consider himself as a good for leadership skill, then I will elaborate about.
Yes, you can do that also, but still if you are answering the question for tell me about yourself, वहाँ पर आप strength weaknesses नहीं mention करें तो better है.
Yeah, ma'am.
ठीक है, because sometimes what happen that if you might be आप किस तरीके से किस सीक्वेंस से आपका इंटरव्यू होगा, you don't know. So at least first 10 candidates they have fresh mind. ठीक है, उनका फ्रेश माइंड रहता है तो वो नए नए क्वेश्चन घुमा फिरा के क्वेश्चंस पूछते हैं. So at least first 10 candidates will get a very tough you can say questioning. तो आपको जितना हो सके let them have the question. Do not answer what has not been asked to you. ठीक है, अगर मान लीजिए कि उन्होंने बाद में भी पूछा but tell me about your strengths and weaknesses, आप इसी तरह भी आंसर कर दोगे तो भी वो यही पूछेंगे कि how can you say that you are good in leadership quality. Second thing, also in the weakness case, आप अगर weakness बोल रहे हैं that you have a weakness that you cannot say no to someone, again वो पूछेंगे can you elaborate it or can you tell you can give the real world example, how can it be a weakness to say not say no to anyone. Okay, तो उस टाइप पे ये भी हो सकता है कि अगर इस सिचुएशन पे if you are answering this question कि मैं किसी को मना नहीं कर सकता, that is your weakness, so they might give you a situational question regarding this. ठीक है, कि मान लीजिए कि ऐसा कोई सिचुएशन हुआ that you have to do someone else's work, will you be able to say no or not. ठीक है, ये सारी चीजें वो एक के बाद एक क्वेश्चन करते जाएंगे. तो इसी तरह आपको आंसर करना है so that they don't get any much more chance to question you more than you would like. Okay. Yes, anyone else? Yes, the rest of the introduction was very good, Priya Ranjan. Go ahead with this. And one more thing, try to speak up with like the words should come out very clear. ठीक है, अभी तो शायद there was a network issue, that's why I was not able to hear your whole answer. Still try and like converse it in a very, आपकी जो आवाज होती है वो बहुत भारी होती है, being a boy आपका आवाज बहुत भारी होता है, तो try to converse it like आपकी आवाज ऐसे आनी चाहिए उनको कि आप शाउट ना करें, ऐसा ना लगे उनको, ठीक है, तो बहुत आराम से बोलना। यस शुभम, गो अहेड।
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Shubham Raj. I'm 19 years old. I belong in Raxaul, East Champaran, Bihar. I have done my schooling at DV Chandriya Brajpur Motihari with 9.2 CGPA from CBSE board and 12th from KCTC College, Raxaul, Raxaul from BSCB board in 2019. Currently, I am pursuing BC from Simej Professional College and my graduation is about to complete next couple of months. In my family, we are 5 members, including me, my father, my mother, and 2 younger siblings. My father is a businessman and my mother is a housewife. Currently, I want to secure a job with my dream company, Infosys. Talking about my technical skill, I learned C, C++, Java programming languages. As a fresher, I don't I don't have any work experience till now, but I will prove myself once opportunity comes. That is all about myself. Thank you, ma'am.
ओके, इट वाज गुड, ठीक है, बट हाउसवाइफ नहीं बोलना है, इट इज एन ओल्ड टर्म दैट इज नॉट बीइंग यूज्ड इन द पर्टिकुलर प्रोफेशनल वर्ल्ड, यू हैव टू से होम मेकर, ठीक है, आपकी मम्मी जो है वो शी इज होम मेकर। सेकेंड थिंग, इफ यू आर मेंशनिंग इट लाइक आप ये मेंशन कर रहे हैं कि एज अ फ्रेशर यू डोंट हैव मच एक्सपीरियंस, ये एक स्टेटमेंट ऐसा है दैट दे नो अबाउट दिस, ठीक है, उनको पता है दैट यू आर अ फ्रेशर एंड यू डोंट हैव मच एक्सपीरियंस, सो दैट लाइन कैन बी omitted, वो आपके आंसर से हटाया जा सकता है।
मैम आपका
Other than
वॉइस
that,
ब्रेक हो रहा है।
it is not come just
मैम एक बार फिर रिपीट कर दीजिए ना, आपका वॉइस ब्रेक होके आ रहा था।
ओके, सो आई वाज टेलिंग कि आप जो आंसर कर रहे थे, आंसर में आपकी मदर का प्रोफेशन होम मेकर होगा, हाउसवाइफ नहीं, ठीक है। सेकेंड थिंग, आपने जो लाइन बोली दैट एज अ फ्रेशर यू डोंट हैव मच एक्सपीरियंस, इट इज वेल नोन टू द इंटरव्यूअर, इंटरव्यूअर को पता है कि आपके पास एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है, तो वो लाइन ओमिट कर दीजिए अपने आंसर से, ठीक है, इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी टू मेंशन इट इन द आंसर। अदर देन दैट इट वाज गुड। ओके, डिड यू हर्ड इट?
यस मैम।
Okay. Anyone else?
यस मैम।
Other students? Priya Ranjan and Shubham have already given their answers in previous class also. Other students have not given their answers. I want all of you to be able to answer this because I know most of you have been selected. So at least the students who have been selected should try to focus on their preparation for this. You are getting an opportunity to correct your answer and practice the answer. Yes, the rest of the students. Is there anyone else interested in answering the question? Or if you have any doubt regarding the interview questions, you can also ask me that too.
मैम एक क्वेश्चन देखे थे इंटरव्यू का, ये क्वेश्चन था मैम, व्हाट पर्सनल एट्रीब्यूट्स डू यू हैव दैट विल हेल्प यू सक्सीड इन द वर्कप्लेस?
That is similar to what strengths do you have? ठीक है, आपके क्या positive attributes are what? आप whatever strengths you have, ठीक है, that will help you regarding the upgrowth of your future. आप future में क्या चीजें हैं जो अपने प्रोफेशन में आपको हेल्पफुल रहेंगी, ठीक है, strictly related to your professional growth. ठीक है, आप के क्या attributes ऐसे हैं, तो related to the strength, that is the similar question. ठीक है, मैं see I have told you ना, the questions might be twisted but the answers are same. ठीक है, आपका जो similar question है कि tell me about yourself, ठीक है, introduction वाला जो question है, there are 4 to 5 ways to ask this question, so you don't have to worry about what the question means. ठीक है, question सिर्फ twist करके उन्होंने दूसरे तरीके से पूछने की कोशिश की है, so your answer should not differ from the other. ठीक है, even if they are repeating the question in another format, still your answer should be the same one. ठीक है, so that they understand that you have not like आपने पूरा रटा नहीं है आंसर, and आप समझ के आंसर कर रहे हैं. Okay, and if they repeat the question in another format, you can start your answer as I have told you earlier, जो आपने पहले ही आंसर कर चुके हैं. As I have told you earlier, this is the answer, whatever you are answering. Okay, anyone else? If you're not asking question, then इसको आंसर तो आपको करना ही पड़ेगा बच्चे. यहाँ नहीं कर रहे हो तो वहाँ तो इंटरव्यू में तो बोलोगे. ठीक है, but there are few questions which we were discussing previous to solving these questions. I would like to
मैम एक और
continue
क्वेश्चन
that
है, what have you
Yes, go ahead.
ma'am, what have you incorporated in your life from him, her?
Sorry.
What have you incorporated in your life from him, her?
Bachche, this question is related to some other question. ये second part है इसी
This
question का.
question is related to ideal person.
Yes, this is the second part of some question. ठीक है, him और her किसको mention कर रहा है वो?
Yes.
It is related to that. Okay, so accordingly you have to answer. If this question is related to the ideal, if he's asking, the interviewer is asking कि who is your ideal, तो इस question जो आपने question पूछा शुभम, उस question का मतलब ये होता है कि आपने उनसे क्या सीखा, and what you have basically what you have implied in your own life. जैसे if अब्दुल कलाम is your आइडियल पर्सन, तो आपने उनकी कौन सी कही गई बात को अपने जीवन में डाला है. दैट इज द आंसर टू दैट क्वेश्चन. ओके, ओके, द क्वेश्चंस दैट वी हैव डिस्कस्ड प्रीवियसली, इन क्वेश्चंस में से अगर किसी को डाउट है अभी भी, आई एम शेयरिंग द स्क्रीन सो दैट यू कैन go through the questions. Yes, these questions we have already discussed. Still, if you have any problem regarding that, you can ask me. See, it is mentioned here, introduce yourself, and which is something which is not in your CV in 18 seconds. See, it is timing is mentioned. Why? Because you are a fresher. ठीक है, and other than your resume और CV, आपने जो भी resume में लिखा है उसके अलावा there is a very little thing to tell about yourself to the interviewer. That is why timing is given, so that you introduce yourself in a very strict manner, to not like वो जो पूरा आपने complete description दिया है कि where have you completed your graduation, 10th and 12th, वो सारा जो complete description है वो पूरा शॉर्ट कर देना है. ब्रीफली यू हैव टू, एजुकेशनल बैकग्राउंड जो है यू हैव टू इंट्रोड्यूस इट वेरी ब्रीफली. ठीक है, इफ यू हैव एनी वर्क एक्सपीरियंस, इंटर्नशिप किया है अगर किसी ने, इफ यू हैव एनी वर्क एक्सपीरियंस, ठीक है, इवन इफ यू डोंट हैव एनी सर्टिफिकेशन टू प्रूव इट, यू कैन मेंशन इट ब्रीफली इन योर इंट्रोडक्शन. ठीक है, इफ यू हैव एनी डिसलाइक और लाइक रिगार्डिंग दैट इज those things, जो personal background है, family background है, those things are not like mentioned here. If it is written here, tell me something about yourself. ठीक है, वो सारी चीजें mention करने की जरूरत नहीं, because there's a time limit of 18 seconds. ठीक है, if there is a time limit, then omit all those things. ठीक है, is there something you want to ask here, Ranjan?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, is it mandatory
Yes.
to tell in introduce yourself, tell about technical skills, because it is
Technical
already
skills,
mentioned in resume.
बच्चे, your educational background is also mentioned in the resume, ना?
Yeah.
So see, this question is nothing, ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको अपने resume से पूरा हटके ही आंसर करना है, ठीक है? इस क्वेश्चन का मतलब ये है कि how well you can describe yourself in a limited amount of time, ठीक है? जितना मतलब जो पूरा अपने आंसर, क्योंकि see a lot of students do that and the interview knows कि आप पूरा आंसर रट के आए हैं, and you will flutter if you don't answer it in the way that you have read it, ठीक है? आपने जैसे उस आंसर को पढ़ा है, समझा है, याद किया है, उस आंसर को अगर आप पूरा नहीं बोल पाए तो आप अच्छे से जवाब नहीं दे पाएंगे. दिस इंटरव्यू नोज. दैट इज व्हाई ये क्वेश्चन यहाँ पर स्ट्रिक्ट टाइमिंग लगाने का मतलब ही यही है. ही वांट्स कि हाउ मच शॉर्टन, और यू कैन से कि टाइमिंग के हिसाब से आप कितना जल्दी अपने आंसर्स बदल सकते हैं और आपका माइंड कितना जल्दी वर्क करता है. That is what he wants to say. So if you have time, okay, if there is no time limit, if you have time to introduce yourself and there's no time bound, then you can mention your technical skills only related to something that is in your job description. जो भी job description में है, if you have something of especially if you have something in a higher level of education, ठीक है? अगर आपके पास certification है related to some you can say technical skill जो चाहिए उनको job description में, वो पक्का mention करो introduction में, ठीक है? It emphasize something that they want to know. Okay. उनको प्रोफेशनल लाइफ से ही मतलब है और कुछ नहीं चाहिए उनको. जितने स्किल्स हैं आपके साथ आप बता सकते हैं आपके पास. See this question, what is your greatest strength? ठीक है, यहाँ पर देखिए ये सारे जो वर्ड्स, यहाँ जितने भी वर्ड्स हैं, ठीक है, इफ यू आर लैकिंग द वर्ड, ठीक है, अगर आपके पास डिस्क्रिप्शन वर्ड्स नहीं है बताने के लिए, तो यू कैन टेक दिस एग्जांपल, ठीक है, टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ दिस पेज, ठीक है, यू कैन मेंशन ऑल दोस थिंग्स एंड लिसन, दीज थिंग्स आर नथिंग related to your technical skills. ये technical skills नहीं है, this is basically to your HR skills, ठीक है? मतलब HR इंटरव्यू में जो क्वेश्चन पूछे जाएंगे, बेसिक आपका जो कैंडिडेट का चाहिए होता है, ये सारी चीजें, वो वही सारी ये सारी स्ट्रेंथ्स हैं आपके पास जो होनी चाहिए फॉर बीइंग अ गुड कैंडिडेट. यस प्रियरंजन. Don't have to do those work, ठीक है? Trying to avoid those people or trying to say no more, ठीक है? आप ज्यादा ना बोलने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. You're trying to say no to those people who you think are using you, okay, for their own
And
benefit.
which kind of example I will tell to explain them that this is my weakness?
Basically they
About
won't be
this one, ma'am.
asking you example. They won't be asking you example, but if you want to give, you can say कि sometimes when my friends ask me to help in their homework or assignments, I help them, ठीक है? They might copy my answers, they might copy your assignments. These things you can say. If हालांकि ये चीज आपसे एग्जाम्पल में नहीं पूछी जाएगी, आपको एक्चुअली सिचुएशनल क्वेश्चन इससे आ सकते हैं, ठीक है? दे विल गिव यू अ सिचुएशन दैट ऐसा आपका कंपनी में जब आप काम कर रहे हैं तो इस तरह का सिचुएशन होगा, आप उसमें इन लोगों को आप ना कैसे बोलेंगे. देयर माइट बी योर कोवर्कर्स, देयर माइट बी योर टीम लीडर, देयर माइट बी एनी क्लाइंट, और यू कैन से समवन हु इज इन हायर अथॉरिटी, ठीक है? क्योंकि बेसिकली हायर अथॉरिटीज को मना करने में it is you have a hesitation to say no to them too, ठीक है? तो if you are not able to say no to your co-workers, you are obviously not able to say no to your higher authorities. तो वो जो भी काम आपसे कराना चाहे करा सकते हैं. तो this is a you can say a negative in your attribute, ठीक है? ये चीजें वो avoid करने के लिए he will ask you into situational question, ठीक है? कि let's say your senior manager wants you to do this, will you be able to say no or not? Okay. Okay, yes. So as I was telling you, ये सारे words जो हैं, if you are lacking for the words, तो आप ये स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिए. ये वर्ड्स आप कहीं भी किसी भी इंटरव्यूअर के सामने ये स्ट्रेंथ में बोल सकते हैं. ठीक है. टीम मैनेजमेंट में आप कैसे बोलेंगे कि यू आर गुड इन मैनेजिंग पीपल, और यू आर गुड इन मैनेजिंग इवेंट्स, और यू आर गुड इन मैनेजिंग थिंग्स और असाइनमेंट्स और प्रोजेक्ट्स व्हाटएवर. ठीक है. यू आर गुड इन मैनेजमेंट का मतलब ये होता है कि आपने कुछ ऐसा किया है जो एज अ टीम लीडर यू हैव मैनेज समथिंग. ठीक है. ऑनेस्ट, इंटेग्रिटी, दीज आर डिसेंट ह्यूमन क्वालिटीज. ठीक है. गुड फिट विद कॉर्पोरेट कल्चर, someone to feel comfortable with, a team player who meshes. ठीक है. These all things are you can say good attributes for a well candidate, a good candidate plus a very good employee. ठीक है. एक एम्प्लॉय में ये सारी चीजें होनी ही चाहिए, whether you are working for any MNC company or you are working for any local company. Okay. So these things you can mention in every interview, regardless of your job description. You can mention those things. Now weaknesses, as I mentioned you, see, if you are mentioning a weakness, try to cover it up, or you can say try to say at the end after you mention your weakness that I'm trying to overcome those weaknesses, or how you are trying to overcome those weaknesses. जैसे प्रियंजन ने कहा कि he has, so after you have mentioned it, after you have mentioned it, what you will say, I have trouble saying no to people, but I have been trying to say more no to those people who have been trying to use me, or try to avoid those kind of situations where I might not be able to say no to those people. Okay. So try to say something positive after you have mentioned your weakness. Next is what do you want? Why do you want to work in our company? So this question is also asked in another variation. Why did you choose our company? Or why did you choose our Wipro or Infosys, whatever company you are applying for? ठीक है. तो ये क्या होता है? ये again I have mentioned कि you have to answer it according to the job description, whatever the provision they are providing. जो भी वो आपको as an employer दे रहे हैं, वो चीजें आपको चाहिए. दैट इज व्हाई यू आर अप्लाइंग फॉर देयर कंपनी. ठीक है. दैट आंसर विल बी द परफेक्ट वन. वो आंसर परफेक्ट वन होगा जो आपके जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन में वो जो चीजें लिखी हैं कि ये चीजें हम कैंडिडेट को प्रोवाइड करेंगे इफ ही और शी इज बीइंग सिलेक्टेड. देन दोज थिंग्स यू वांट, वो चीजें आपको चाहिए अदर देन द मॉनिटरी. ठीक है. जो मॉनिटरी आपका एक्सपेंसेस है, अदर देन दैट जो भी प्रोविजन आपको मिल रहा है like working in a world class company, or you can say a multinational company, a well renowned company. ठीक है. वो सारी चीजें you can mention. Okay. Out of all the candidates that we have interviewed, why should we choose you? This question is actually harder if you are being interviewed with your friend. ठीक है. अगर आप किसी के साथ इंटरव्यू ऑलरेडी कर रहे हैं, you are present with other candidates to be interviewed, this question becomes harder because you have listened to all the questions. जो भी उनसे पूछे गए हैं, similar questions आपसे भी पूछे गए हैं. So it becomes harder for you or them to answer this question. So try to formulate your answer according to that. Okay. अगर मान लीजिए कि you are alone, ठीक है, and you have been asked this question, आपको उनकी बुराई ना करके what you have to say, I am the best candidate because most of the things that are being required by us or the company, you have those attributes. ठीक है. आपके पास वो qualities हैं जो कंपनी को चाहिए for the perfect candidate or for perfect employee. ठीक है. Again, formulate your answer according to the job description. Tell us about the skills which are required for this position. See, this is what required for this position. The skills that is required for this position. ये आपसे इसीलिए पूछा जाता है to know how much professional knowledge do you think or what you think you will be doing after you have been selected as a candidate. आपके क्या thoughts हैं, ठीक है, वो जानने के लिए ये चीजें, क्योंकि जो काम आपको लगता है कि आप करेंगे आप उसी हिसाब से स्किल्स बताएंगे. So you should mention and professional skills इसीलिए क्योंकि ये जो यहाँ पर strengths में ये सारी चीजें mention है. This is for every candidate for every position in any company. So try not to mention any of those things. ठीक है, ये सारी जो चीजें हैं, honesty, ठीक है, good communication skills or confident or leadership skills, these things you don't have to mention. ठीक है, leadership skills तो फिर भी आप mention कर सकते हो if it is required for the candidate. आपका जो उसमें job description है उसमें mention है कि वैसी चीजें चाहिए तो you can mention. But these things, ठीक है, honesty and positive attitude and good communication skills, these things you don't have to mention it here. आपको सिर्फ professional skills, technical skills specifically आपके केस में जो भी technical skills required हैं for the position you're applying, you should mention those in here. Okay, especially if you have those skills, वो चीजें पहले mention करना. जो चीजें अगर if you don't have any skills that is required by the position, वो चीज last में mention करना या नहीं mention करना. Okay, can you work under pressure? इसका आंसर हमेशा ही हाँ करना है. You don't have to say no, क्योंकि अगर आपने ना कह दिया that means what? You're stressing out already. आप पहले ही स्ट्रेस ले रहे हैं कि पता नहीं कितना काम करवाएंगे, पता नहीं कैसे काम करवाएंगे, पता नहीं क्या क्या करना पड़ेगा. These things are already going through your mind and you won't be able to concentrate while working. So try not to mention or answer negatively to this question. Always try to answer positively this question. Okay, इस क्वेश्चन को आपको हमेशा पॉजिटिव वे में ही आंसर करना है. Second is, are you comfortable working in a team? Obviously you should answer yes because you will be working in a team. आप किसी भी कंपनी में जाएंगे, you will be working in a team, under a team leader, under someone. ठीक है, वर्किंग टीम प्लेयर नहीं होने का बहुत सारा नुकसान है. You have to be a team player if you are working. So this answer should also be contain positive attributes. Okay, in what areas do you need to improve your skills? यहाँ पर जो चीजें जो प्रोफेशनल स्किल्स आपकी जो रह गई हैं that does not meet with the job description. ठीक है, जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन में कुछ ऐसा है जो आपके पास वो स्किल नहीं है, वो चीजें मेंशन करे एंड कहे कि आई वांट टू इम्प्रूव दिस एंड रियल वर्ल्ड एक्सपीरियंस. ये चीजें पक्का मेंशन करनी है बिकॉज यू आर अ फ्रेशर, you want experience more than anything right now. So always mention in this question that you want real world experience. Okay. Next is, where do you see yourself in 5 years? इसका आंसर आई एम अगेन सेइंग, कोई भी गलती से नर्वस होकर कुछ भी करके नर्वस होकर ये मत बोल देना कि जहां आप हैं वहां मैं जाना चाहता हूँ. ये आंसर इज वेरी, यू कैन से ये बहुत ही गलत आंसर है और ये बैकफायर कर देगा आपको. अजीब अजीब क्वेश्चन वो पूछना स्टार्ट कर देंगे, सिचुएशनल क्वेश्चन दे देंगे आपको. ठीक है, व्हाई डू यू थिंक यू वांट टू बी इन माय प्लेस एंड ऑल, वो सारे क्वेश्चन वो पूछने लगेंगे एंड यू वोंट बी एबल टू आंसर. Never answer this that I want to be in your position unless you are applying for the HR profile only. अगर आप HR प्रोफाइल के लिए अप्लाई कर रहे हैं तभी आप किसी इंटरव्यूअर को ये जवाब दे सकते हैं, I want to be in your place. ठीक है, otherwise if you are applying for any other position other than the HR department, please do not mention it in the answer. मैं आपके जगह पे आंसर में दिखना चाहता हूँ. You can say that I would like to be working in a senior position in the same company, in your company. ठीक है, and I would like to contribute, keep contributing in my personal growth and the growth of the company. ठीक है, this thing you can mention. ठीक है, do you have any question for me? Always ask at least one question to the interviewer. At least one question आप हमेशा पूछेंगे. What you can ask is what is your experience in working as a working in the company. ठीक है, जो भी कंपनी में है आपका काम करने का क्या एक्सपीरियंस रहा है, आप उनसे पूछ सकते हैं. सेकेंड थिंग, डू यू हैव एनी advice from me to be a candidate or how to be a good employee for the candidate if I'm being selected. मान लीजिए आप selected हो गए हैं, तो कौन सी ऐसी चीजें हैं जो मुझे बिल्कुल अवॉइड करनी चाहिए या मुझे बिल्कुल वो सारी चीजें करनी चाहिए एज बीइंग अ कैंडिडेट और एन एम्प्लॉय अंडर योर कंपनी. अंडरस्टूड. ये सारी चीजें कॉमन है. यू कैन आस्क इफ यू डोंट गेट एनी. आपके दिमाग में कुछ भी नहीं है तो ये दोनों क्वेश्चन तो आप पक्का पूछ सकते हैं किसी भी एम्प्लॉयर से. ओके. एनी क्वेश्चन फॉर मी? अभी कोई डाउट है रिगार्डिंग एनी क्वेश्चन? इसके अलावा कोई भी क्वेश्चन आपके दिमाग में है, यू कैन आस्क मी. Other than the questions that we have discussed, if you have any questions. And one more thing, if you notice carefully, जितने भी आपने questions पूछे हैं वो सारे इन questions से अंदर ही रहते हैं. Only the variations and the way of asking the question is different. ठीक है, किस तरीके के questions पूछे जा रहे हैं वो तरीका भले different होता है पर उसका meaning same रहता है, similar रहता है, and you can answer it in a similar way also. So do not try to panic if you are asked in a different way. अगर same question को different twisted way में पूछा जा रहा है तो पहले question को समझिए. Take at least 15 seconds to think what the interviewer is asking, what the interviewer is asking, and you can answer according to that. Okay, I'm getting some questions in the chat box. What are the key skills to be a good team player? Okay, if you are trying to mention this, इसका अगर आंसर आपने करना है, टीम प्लेयर होने के लिए सबसे बड़ी बात है you have to be a good listener. ठीक है. If you are listening the advice of other team members, then you can work on, you can say आप ज़्यादा तरीके आपको मिलेंगे वो काम complete करने के लिए. You can find more efficient way to work, complete the work. ठीक है. You have to be a good listener. ठीक है. Second thing, you have to think about every team player. ठीक है. आपको पता होना चाहिए कि जितने भी आपके टीम मेंबर्स हैं वो क्या चीज किन चीजों में वो बेटर हैं, so that when if you become a team leader आप उनको जॉब पकड़ा सकें कि ये प्रोजेक्ट मिला है, ये काम तुम कर लो, वो काम तुम कर लो. So you should know what quality, what best attributes they have. ठीक है. These two qualities you can always mention if you are asked this question. What are the key skills to be a good player? You have to be a good listener. That is the main thing. Even if you are a group member,